Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. We have this simple linear equation here to solve for x. It is a linear equation because the highest power of the variable x is 1. Now, before we go ahead to solve this problem, I would like to appeal that if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so that each time we upload a video, you will be notified. So, that said, let's go ahead and see how you solve this problem. We are going to make use of the algebraic fact that if we have a fraction a over b to be equal to another fraction c over d, then this implies that a times d is equal to c times b. Okay, a times d is equal to c times b. So if we apply that to this equation, we will have that 2 times 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 times x plus 4. We open out the brackets on both sides of the equation. Here we have the 2 times 2x, this will be 4x, 2 times minus 5, this is minus 10, and this is equal to 3 times x, this will give us 3x, 3 times 4, this will give us plus 12. Okay, we simplify further by bringing like terms together. So we are going to bring the terms containing the variable to the left hand side and the terms containing only constant to the right hand side. So to do that, we are going to subtract 3x from both sides of the equation and add 10 to both sides of the equation. If you do that, we're going to have that 4x minus 3x is equal to 12 plus 10. 4x minus 3x is x, and this is equal to 12 plus 10, this is 22. So this is our value of x. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that each time we upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you.